Namaste dosto. Hello friends. Today in the journey to learn Hindi with Neha, we will start with Swar Abhyas, that is Hindi vowels activity. Friends, I assure you, by the end of all these activities in this video, those of you who are struggling to remember Swar in Hindi, your problem will be solved. The first activity, it is Swar Purna Kare, that is complete the vowels. As you can see, the swar is written in its sequence, but there are some swar or vowels missing in between represented by the question mark. Correct? You have to do is you have to say the missing letters after I read out the written letters. Okay? Let's move on. The first letter, A. The missing letter is correct. It is A. Again, the next letter is E. Shorter E. The missing letter is correct. It is E. Then O. Missing letter? Yes, it is U. So friends, now you have completed the first line of the swar. A, I, U, Ri. And down there is A. Definitely the missing letter you know now, it is A. Correct. O. And the last missing letter is O. Correct. So I'm sure after this activity, now again it's a revision to the sequence of the swar for you. Okay, let's read out for the last time. A, I, U, Ri. E, O, and aha. Correct. Now let's check out the next activity. This is our second activity. It says चित्र देखे व सही नाम का पहला अक्षर लिखे means write the first letter of the pictures. Here I have given four different pictures and you have to write the first letter of the Hindi names of these pictures. So those of you who have gone through the Swar Varnamala video, you will recognize these pictures easily. And for those you have missed, I have given the names down over there, but not in order. So remember the names and try to say the first letter in Hindi of these pictures. Okay, let's begin. The first picture. The first picture is tamarind. In Hindi, we call it as imli. Therefore, the first missing letter or the first beginning letter of imli is correct. It is E. The next picture is of pomegranate. In Hindi, pomegranate is known as anar. Therefore, the first letter would be of anar, a, anar. Next picture is mango. And mango in Hindi is known as correct, aam. So what is the first letter of aam? It is a. Correct. The last picture is of an owl. And the Hindi name of owl is ullu. So ullu. What is the first beginning letter of the word ullu? Yes, it is u. Ullu. So you now understand the sound of the beginning letters of these pictures. I से इमली, अ से अनार, आ से आम, उ से उल्लू. Done? Next. Again, four different pictures. And the activity is same. You have to write the first letter of the pictures, but in the Hindi names of the pictures. You remember the Hindi names? Let's begin. First picture is of a guava. So guava in Hindi is known as amrud. Therefore, the beginning letter of the word amrud would be a amrud. Next picture is of a saint. In Hindi, a saint is known as correct rishi. So the first letter would be ri. Next picture is of medicine, and the Hindi word is aushadhi. So the first letter of aushadhi is O. Last picture is grapes, and grapes are known as angur. Angur. Yes, the first letter of angur is ang. Okay, the next slide. So the same activity. The four different pictures and their names are also given down there. But you have to identify the first sound or the swar, vowel, and then say with me. The first picture is of, it is dew. So in Hindi, dew is known as, correct, it is known as os. Os. Therefore, the first letter would be O. Next, the next picture is of spectacles. And the Hindi word for spectacles is ऐनक. ऐनक. So friends, the first letter is A, correct. Then the next picture. Next picture is of wool. In Hindi, wool is known as oon. Oon. So here the letter is oo. Oon. Done. And the last picture is of sugarcane. The word is E. We can see E. So we know that it is about E. So now friends, we know the Hindi names of most of the pictures as well as the correct phonic associated with the vowels. Let's check out the next activity. अंग्रेजी शब्दों को सही अक्षर के सामने रखें. Put the words with the correct sound letters. As we can see, the four different letters given over here are a, e, and two boxes each below the letters. Over here we have the English words. In each English word, the phonic is highlighted by the yellow color. So what you have to do is identify the phonic and match up with the swar and put them in the respective boxes. For example, the first word is eat, and these are English words. Okay, so eat. This will come under this vowel E. Got it? So now let's move on to the next words. First, it is up. Say along with me, then you will be able to recognize the vowel yourself. Up. What we are saying? A. So it will come under A. The next one, ink. Ink. When you say ink, it is having a phonic of I, but a shorter one. So it will come under I. Ink. Next word, meat. Say and you will get it. Yes, it will come under E. Meat. Okay. Again, the next word, car. Yes, you are absolutely correct. The phonic over here is A. So it will go below the letter Ah. Again, the next word is mix. Mix. It's a shorter E. Mix. So it will come down below E. Next word, art. If you say art, you have to open your mouth and you have to say loudly art. So it comes down to this vowel ah. But again, when you say this particular word, both art and again, these are with A but with different phonic. Over here we say again, again. So here it will go under the letter A, again. You see the difference between the phonics? Yes. Okay. The words given here are, let's begin with the first word. But before that, let's check out the vowels. A, O, U, and the longer one, oo. Okay? So the first word, moon. What we say? Moon. That means longer oo. It will come under oo. Correct. The next word is, say it with me, old. So the first phonic is O. So it should go under O. See, this letter is O. So this old word, which has the similar phoning of O, it has come down to this letter O. The next word, wood. Wood. A shorter O. Wood. Correct. It will come to O. Next word, end. End. First word, letter highlighted is A. End. So it will go to A. Next word, again, a longer U. Cool. Cool. So definitely it will come to this ooh. Next word is full. Full. We are saying ooh, but a shorter one. Full. So it will come down to which place? Yes, it will come down to ooh. The next word, empty. M. A. Again, A. It will go to A. And the last word, roll. And the highlighted one is for the phonic O. Roll. So definitely it will come down to O. So again, we are done through this activity by which we have understood and revised again and again the phonic or sound of the swar vowels. Let's check out the next activity. So what this activity says? It says स्वर अक्षरों को सही क्रम में जोड़ें. That means join the alphabets in correct sequence. Sequence, yes. For sequence, we have already done the first activity. Now it is another diagrammatic activity wherein we have to join the dots and find out which diagram it forms. Okay. So there are 11 dots. That means the last two letters are missing. It's okay. Let's find out by joining the dots from the letter. First letter A. The next letter is, okay, it is A. Similarly, A to A, then E, then which side? Yes, this side. E to E. Then which side? Yes, to O. Then Oo. Then after O, it is Re. Then this side A or A. Yes, it is A. Then again we come down to the next letter A. After A, it is O. So let's come to the beginning point. Oh, this forms to be a star. And you have done the correct sequence. So, good work. Now, let's move on to the next activity. This activity says चित्र देखकर रिक्त स्थान में सही अक्षर लिखें. That is, write the first missing letter in the pictures. The name of the pictures you have to say in Hindi. These are Hindi words or the Hindi names of the pictures. So, those of you who know the language Hindi, at least how to speak, you will be able to identify the names of these pictures. And you have to put the first letter, the missing letter, in these pictures accordingly. Let's begin. The first picture is of camel. And in Hindi, camel is known as correct. Oot. Therefore, which letter will be coming here? This. Oo. Oot. Likewise, the second picture is of a sky, and in Hindi we call sky as Akash. So, out of these two letters given below, which letter will come over here? It is A, Akash. And the last picture is of a lady. We call it as Aurat in Hindi. Therefore, the letter O. So now you know the words Oot, Akash, Aurat. Similarly, the next slide. The first picture. The first picture is of fire, and fire in Hindi is known as Aag. Therefore, the missing first letter is A. Next picture. Can you guess the name? Yes, it is the mythological white elephant, and it is known as Airavat. So, putting A, it completes the word Airavat. Last picture. It is a gift. A gift in Hindi is known as Uphar. Therefore, the missing letter is Up. Uphar. So, thank you friends for watching this video. I hope most of your confusions in the Hindi vowels is over after all these activities. Please don't forget to watch our next video on similar activity on Hindi consonants. For those of you who are new to my channel, please you can check out the playlist in the channel in 3 different segments. That is Hindi reading, writing and on spoken Hindi. At last friends, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more and more learning. Namaste.